There you go. It's a Flintstone car, dude. If you got
it's like Scream's tetanus shot.
Yeah, I bet.
I might not be an expert, but I don't think floors are supposed to come with holes in it, you know. My carpet is thrashed. So in this video, we're gonna pull out the carpet, cut out the floor, weld in a new floor, put the new carpet in. So after pulling that trim piece off, I realized we have some nice mystery fluid hanging out under the floor. So, now that the floor mat's up, I got a chance to see the rest. Love it. Awesome. Pretty much all the old sound deadening is off. I still have to sand this area down, but that side's all sanded down, ready for paint. Got the first patch kind of done. I've never done anything like this, so it should be pretty interesting to see how well this turns out. I'm hoping it turns out nice. It shouldn't be too hard, so I'm just gonna kind of throw it in and eyeball it up and then get out the angle grinder and start cutting.
It's a Flintstone car, dude.
I can't fit.
If you got
it's like Scream's tetanus shot.
Yeah, imagine if you got stuck in that and you got to call the fire department.
And you fucking come because you're an EMT.
Oh, yeah, right.
Last piece is out. Now we can start cleaning it up and then cutting the floor pan to fit and then weld that sucker in.
Nice.
Alright, floor pan done. All this tan stuff is seam sealer. It's drying right now. Gonna finish up the kill mats. sound deadening in. Then we put in the carpet. The carpet was specifically cut for this cab, so it fit right in, bolted the seat in, came out pretty alright, and now we got some before and after shots.